Hello, Furnace North America fans out there. We're here today with the FNA Technology Showcase, where we're showcasing a series of sponsors, title sponsors, who are bringing great product and services to the show on October 14th to the 16th in Columbus, Ohio. It's going to be great. It's the largest gathering of suppliers and heat treaters in the world. The 2024, you're not going to want to miss it. Change is happening so fast, and you're going to hear the big changes that's coming to you and the solutions that they're bringing. So today we have with us Ben Gasbarre from Gasbarre Thermal Processing Solutions here with us, systems with us today. Ben, I always get that mixed up, solution systems, but here's what I know. I know Gasbarre has great solutions with great systems. Is that correct?
That's right. We do them both.
Awesome. So say hi to the crowd out there.
Yep. Hi, everybody. Thanks, Tom, for having me.
You're welcome, man. So we're excited. Gasbarre's Furnaces is sponsoring the technical conference, which is awesome. We just solidified 35 incredibly informative sessions yesterday. They're posted out on the website today, and we'll be getting the full description. So it's going to be a great technical program. But apart from that, the number one reason people come to Furnaces is to be able to walk into a room with 150 plus suppliers where they can see it over 2 days, everything they want to see in heat treating. So Ben, tell us a little bit about Gasbarre. What does Gasbarre do for the marketplace?
Yeah, so Gasbarre is a furnace OEM. So we design, manufacture, and service industrial furnaces. We've got a pretty broad product offering, from continuous furnaces to batch furnaces, and they're both configured in atmosphere and vacuum configurations. So pretty broad product offering, one that we can really work with our customers on what the best approach is for their specific need.
Well, looking out to the future, everybody's talking about constant disruption. AI is out there, potential automation, but heat treaters every day with labor shortages and all the different things coming out. They've got a real challenge, to keep those furnaces uptime, maintenance, all that kind of stuff. What are the things that you're hearing in the marketplace you think that heat treaters need to be thinking about as they move past this show and into the future for next year?
Yeah, well, I think in today's marketplace, it's no different from any other time, right? I mean, there's plenty of problems, challenges, different things happening, and it's kind of that old adage of, problems, challenges, threats to our industries. One person sees it that way, and another person sees it as opportunity. And I think that's where we're at right now. There's just a lot of opportunity out there. You've got the dynamics in the market with environmental sustainability initiatives, whether that's coming from our end users or government regulation. Certainly, the automotive industry with combustion engines, hybrid EVs, and then conventional energy versus alternative energy markets. And then, as you stated earlier, you've got the technology side with additive manufacturing developments, but the one that's in front of everybody right now is the artificial intelligence technologies. So I think there's certainly going to be substantial growth in certain markets, and others are going to stagnate. Certain technologies are going to win, certain technologies are going to fail. And I certainly can't tell you exactly what's going to change, but we know it's changing, and it's certainly something that we in Gasbarre are focused on, and really want to work with our customers in whatever those challenges are that they're having, and what initiatives they might have to best support their needs.
Well, you hit on some ginormous issues that MTI is digging into right now. Air quality standards, which are going to create havoc if we don't kind of minimize their impact. You got technical specifications and audit compliance, and the decarbonization thing that you talk about. I mean, there's just and fast changing technology with 3D printing, additive manufacturing, and now AI. So just a plethora of things for heat treaters to wake up every day and wonder what's today going to be like.
Yeah.
So looking at Gasbarre and where you're headed in the future with your technology and your processes, what are the kind of the systems and the solutions that you're bringing to the market that you're excited to be coming to FNA with?
Yeah. So I think what you find on the OEM side is that there's been significant advancements in, as you mentioned, mechanical designs, insulation efficiencies, automation, controls. All of those things have really grown over the last 20 to 30 years. And I think there's still a lot of the market that's still trying to catch up with those advancements. We're still, certainly focused on improving those from where we're at today. But what you're seeing happening now in our side is, initiatives in businesses have changed.
Right.
Before they were very much, trying to keep up with capacities and things like that, where now it's very much business initiatives. Again, touching back on the sustainability, do you have an initiative for that? And what are the best furnace technologies and the advantages and disadvantages of the technologies that we may offer? Maybe you're manufacturing a part that was used for this application for the last X number of years, and now it's used for this application, and you need better metallurgical properties. What style furnace is best for that? You touched on the labor shortage or even safety initiatives. Maybe there are some things that the customers need to do to better accommodate those types of things. And then the ones that get us the most excited are the ones that, hey, I've got this product that's never been made before. What's the best thermal process? How can I scale this from a pilot production process to full-blown production? What are the ways that we can do this? And it's all about how we work with our customers. Again, we've got a very broad product offering, so we are able to discuss many different solutions and what's best for that current need that they're looking to achieve.
Awesome. That's great. We're looking forward to seeing you. So Ben, one final question. What you got heat treaters listening to this program? Why do you think they should come to Furnaces North America, and why? And secondly, why should they visit your booth?
Yeah. Well, first, the team at the Metal Treating Institute does a fantastic job putting on the show, whether it's keeping the energy up, the organization, the flow of it. They do a great job. So that's first, but it really is the stuff that we talked about here. For sure, it's a great place to network, great place to socialize with your customers, your suppliers, your peers, what have you. But it's really about how everything's changing right now and what we're all dealing with. And you get everybody from quality to production, process engineering, business owners. Everybody's there talking about these things. And as I stated earlier, we're here to support it. We've got a focus on all of these things that are happening. We've got people dedicated to understanding the dynamics of furnace efficiencies and what heating systems perform at one way versus another. Vacuum versus atmosphere heat treating. We've got all of these people there that are talking about these things and wanting to work with people and solving these problems and developing systems and solutions to accommodate the changing market. So I know when I come to FNA, I always leave with new knowledge, experience, and ideas that I can bring back to our business.
Awesome. Well, Ben, thank you for being on us today, and thank you for your sponsorship of the Furnaces North America. So people watching, I want to encourage you to put October 14th to the 16th on your calendar, because here's the thing: 150 plus suppliers in one room, 35 technical sessions to drive your content to take back for new ideas. But here's the thing: our economic experts at ITER Economics, who's really good at the forecasting thing, are predicting 25 through 2030 to be an incredible 5 years of growth. Why? Because some certain demographics and economic factors are going to play into that. And you may never have a 5-year setup like that to grow. So you need to come to Furnaces North America to find your efficiencies, your productivity, and your opportunities to grow your top line sales. So thank you for attending today, and we will see you in Columbus, Ohio on October 14th to the 16th. For details, go to furnacesnorthamerica.com to register and find out your schedule.